And with that, we're back with another XRP update. We are grateful to the XRP family for their unwavering love and support. Thank you so much, everyone. We are back on track. Once more, click the bell button to receive notifications whenever I upload if you don't want to miss any of these updates. However, let us examine the current state of XRP's price. When we look at the market as a whole, we are once again seeing a lot of red. Altcoins will undoubtedly be impacted by the increasing dominance and uncertainty in the cryptocurrency industry. It's sort of unspoken. And once more, we can see this with our own eyes if you're looking for confirmation. Almost the whole market is currently down, and we are witnessing a lot of altcoins. Although down roughly 2.2%, XRP is holding up better than the whole market. There are many people who forget that, but we don't want it to happen. A fact, even after a 5% weekly decline, the price is still more than $2. Specifically, $2.50, down 1.5% in Bitcoin. The 24-hour trading volume is approximately 6.2 billion, and the comparable valuation is little less than 120 billion. Naturally, many individuals will ask, why is the 24-hour trading volume so high? Since there are, of course, significant liquidations taking place in the cryptocurrency industry. There is a lot of worry, which tends to increase the volume of trading in the 24-hour period. Just a brief disclaimer before we continue, as usual. This channel does not offer financial advice. When investing in cryptocurrency, always conduct your own research and due diligence. Thus, the main catalyst is this particular item right here, underlying the significant reversal. Furthermore, I believe that if we began to hear more and more about this impending trade war, things might get worse. As you can see, in response to present rates applied to American goods, the US would impose the following taxes under the proposed plan. Once more, these are a few of the nations so you can see for yourself. Additionally, the financial community did not take well to this announcement when it was made. You can observe this for yourself as well. They do it to us, and we do it to them, Trump claims. So once more, it's clear that this is still very early on. Additionally, I saw that many people claim that the tariffs were already factored in, and I was reading, I believe it was someone I follow on Twitter, that it's obviously not priced in because of this particular news that you're seeing. The cryptocurrency and stock markets are responding negatively. Naturally, I believe that this will not be the best thing for the market if we hear more and more about it. So will Bitcoin drop down below 38.2 and begin moving toward the 30.50 fib zone? Yes, that is unquestionably still present. However, we will return to the cost a bit later. This is something you can witness for yourself. In the past day, the cryptocurrency markets have seen the liquidation of about $500 million. Thus, we witnessed a significant fake out in the upward direction. Perhaps it was a reversal after all. Naturally, however, following the release of this statement, the market did in fact plummet back to its previous level, which is the massive bounce I'm talking about. But take a look at this. The XRP ledger generated 50 million RLUSD. Regarding RLUSD, you can observe this for yourself. RLUSD is now listed on Kraken. Therefore, if you use Kraken or are in Canada, you should know that many Canadians do as well. It's among the most well-liked ones there. Naturally, since it has already been confirmed, this would be an exciting time for you if you want to learn more about RLUSD. As promised, RLUSD is now incorporated into Ripple Payments, our cross-border payment solutions that offer nearly worldwide coverage through 90-plus payout markets and immediate connections to banks, financial institutions, payment service providers, exchanges, and many more globally. Enterprise utility from the start. And I believe this will be really beneficial. Few people are aware of the significant ways in which this will assist it. Since RLUSD can now be sent via the Ripple payment system, those who are large businesses and organizations naturally want to use it to move money immediately across borders, from one country to another. It greatly simplifies things and eliminates the need for banks. Thus, once more, I believe that we are at a turning point that few people are recognizing. Naturally, individuals would ask themselves, is the price not responding favorably to this news? Since the market is obviously not responding favorably at the moment. As you can see, the market is shifting and experiencing significant volatility, which will undoubtedly affect all of the projects, and XRP is no exception. And going forward, using Bitstamp, Fidelity Digital Assets, and Ripple to shape the future. What is Fidelity's size? One of the biggest asset-based financial services companies is Fidelity. It is the biggest stock brokerage company in the world, with about $14 trillion. And once more, we are aware of Fidelity, which is a topic we frequently discuss. Once more, I believe that Fidelity on BlackRock, XRP, ETF, and Islands will be a really fascinating occurrence in and of itself. However, is there any indication that we might perceive something that we don't actually see? It makes sense at this time, so why wouldn't they come and create or apply for an XRP ETF? Of course, we can sit here and conjecture. Everything just makes sense. Additionally, I believe that they might be waiting for the ideal moment. Perhaps they notice a flush occurring and decide to make the announcement because they're aware of the potential influence on the value of a digital asset. Once more, please share your personal opinions about this in the comments section below. Going forward though, kudos to Smoke for demonstrating this. Since a cycle low, the XRP active address has changed. May observe the behind-the-scenes XRP network activity in comparison to the Bitcoin network activity, which naturally results in a 490% change in XRP activity. Very, very fascinating things are taking place. Since dominance is currently gaining a lot of traction in the pricing space, let's carefully examine what is going on with the price this time. And once more, it shouldn't come as a huge surprise that altcoins exist. There's a lot of uncertainty and it doesn't look good. Did you notice this fake out Bitcoin? This is the one I'm talking about. A few hours ago, Bitcoin was trading around 88.5. Naturally, this statement about the tariffs was made, but it was just temporary and we ended up falling back to this range. We are currently essentially at the neckline, still in the 38.2. It goes without saying that we risk dropping to the 50 fib zone if we don't hold around the support. Of course, that essentially makes it possible for Bitcoin to retest the 77K range. I've been telling you guys this for a while, and I still believe that's something we could actually be watching out for. If you're interested in XRP, it did fall below 38.2. I am aware that many individuals are perplexed by the fact that we are sitting in the 50. The price is still fluctuating in a pleasant pattern of consolidation. Once more, from this angle, it does not appear to be as awful as you may imagine, but we are below the 38.2 for the first time in about a month. One more important factor that you all need to understand is that dominance is increasing rapidly, which will undoubtedly affect the price of XRP, particularly at a time when Bitcoin is also exhibiting some unfavorable price action. However, overall, it is still unable to retest the February 3 ARD level, which is also a significant event that few people are aware of. Naturally, a few hours ago, we did drop below $1.98, but we quickly recovered.